everyone! Welcome back to Kodi Hunter RJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Patriot Kodi add-on step by step. If you're looking for free movies, TV shows, and more, this add-on is packed with amazing content. So, stay tuned until the end. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Kodi tips and tricks. Also, if you want to keep your streaming activity private and secure, check the description below for my recommended tool to enhance your online experience. First, open Kodi and head to the system settings by clicking the gear icon at the top left. Next, click File Manager and then on the left, select Add Source. A box will pop up. Click on None and enter this URL: https://mylostsoulspace.co.uk repo. Make sure to type it exactly as shown. In the next box, name it Lost Soul and click OK. Double check everything and hit OK again. Now, head back to the main menu and select Add-ons. At the top left, click the Add-on Package Installer icon. Click Install from Zip File. If a warning pops up, enable Unknown Sources and click Yes. A box will appear. Select Lost Soul and then click on Repository. Lost Soul 1.19 zip or the latest version. Wait for the repository to install and pop up at the top right saying Repo Installed. Now click Install from Repository, then select Lost Souls Repository and go to Video Add-ons. Scroll down, find Patriot, and click Install. That's it. You've successfully installed the Patriot Kodi add-on. Enjoy streaming your favorite content with free and premium links. Remember, keeping your online activity safe is important, so check the description below for my favorite tool that helps secure your connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides like this. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.